Why don't you just hit it when the remote doesn't work? Not in my bus today. That's why you got this furry thing down here. I'm in bus 37, a 2009 Bluebird Transit wheelchair bus. Similar to 34 and some of the other bus videos I did on those. Coming back in the yard early. This is an early route. I mean, there should be bluebirds stacked here, wall to wall. There are no bluebirds here. No transits. Let's see, there's 3 spares over there. And then our old standby conventionals over here, 10, 13, 14, 15. But how's that for pulling in the yard middle of the day or early afternoon? Sorry, hands on the steering wheel, can't help but touch the camera. My bad. Bus in neutral. Turn it off. Gonna do that's bad. So here's the dash of 37. Let's see if I can. The lights. The green does look a little bit better. Top left are your air brake, air pressure for your air brake system. Speedometer, tachometer. Over here your fuel tank, battery, engine pressure or engine temperature, oil pressure. Coming over here, power plugs here, so you got to run your cable way over there. Transmission. Service door, open, close, 2-way radio, crossing lights cluster. This is you want warmer or colder with your heating system. Have it around here, and it's a little warm. Turn around here, and it's an easy bake oven. Down here, these are your heater controls. Turns on the water pump for the heating system, rear heater, driver heater, defrost, fresh air, around, parking brake, ignition, my legs covering the possibility of seeing the air brake, air horn. These are controls for the air conditioning, colder or super cold, hang meat. Then you have a slider gauge here for this instrument panel, noise suppression, brake override. That's for the wheelchair door. The shop has to move the bus because it's interlocked. The door's open. 2 defroster lights there, and then you have a driver light there, and then the 2 for the back of the bus for interior lights, and then the windshield wiper. Manual windows, haha, manual mirrors, so you got mirrors, crossover mirror, student control mirror, then your outside mirrors. And this bus is one of the first ones in our fleet that have a backup camera. So when you put in reverse, the red line is basically the back bumper, the yellow line is about 4 feet off of that, the green line is about 4 feet off of that, so it tells you how much space you got before you hit it. Turn the bus off. First alarm was a headlight alarm. This bus has car seats, because you never know. We also have a harness hookup. The stop signs behind the driver. Tie downs go into tie down bags. Got a air freshener hanging from the roof exit. Come back. push the button, show the button for a change. System's reset. Now you can exit the bus. And as always, you walk the bus. You look for books, bodies, bags, trash, everything else. I've had high school students slide off onto the floor, fall asleep, and so they could fit under there. So you look everywhere. Quick brooming and we're gone. So you got tie down bags on that side, tie down bags on that side. This is a position for one wheelchair. You put two wheelchairs here, and then fourth position wheelchair goes here in front of the ramp. California fire extinguishers, we need two of them in a wheelchair bus, so there's one there, and then the other one's with the emergency equipment up in there. So there's a quick tour of the outside of, or the inside of bus 37.